he asked. Yeah, this is camel. See, cactus. Next one. Sid took the baby monkey to the ocean and asked, "Is this your home?" Uh, mm, Along with the fish, turtles, and sea lions. Backside. This side. Finger. No, said the baby monkey. It is too cold here. This is not my home. Correct. No చూపించాను. Okay, next one. Finger. One day, Sid was walking on the path back home when he saw a baby monkey. Next one. Finger. Sid took him to the grassland and asked, "Do you live here with the giraffes and lions?" Where is the giraffe, Nana? Wow. Camel ekkada చూపించా? Finger. The baby monkey replied, "No, it is too hot and dry here." Next page. Finger. The baby monkey replied, "No, it is too crowded here and there is no space for me." Monkey ఎక్కడ నుంచి చూపించినానా? Monkey చెప్పు. Monkey చెప్పు. Sid took him to the mountains and asked, "Do you live here?" Another page. Now this page. Finger. The baby monkey replied, "Yes, the forest is lovely." Yes, Nana. Birds. Chippo. Bird. Chippo. Parrot. Chippo. Parrot. Nana.
Satvik, where is monkey?
Ido monkey. Okay, finger.
Where is monkey?
Sid took him to the mountains and asked, "Do you live here along with the axe?"